What's up, Mopar family? I hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I know I did. I ate way too much food. I'm still feeling it, but that's what you do on Thanksgiving, is you eat until you pass out, right? So there you go. Other than that, guys, it is a magnificent day out here. It's nice and blue, and we're getting the truck ready. As you can tell, we're in the car wash here. We're about to wash it up to get ready for a car show tomorrow. But today's video, I want to talk about how much faster can your Hemi be with a little bit of nitrous. And I'm talking about 100 shot of nitrous. What kind of times can you expect it to knock off on the quarter mile with your build? So let's dive into it. So as most of you guys know, Frostbite went recently. We broke our record. We ran an 11.8 at about 113, I believe, with 100 shot of nitrous. That was awesome. I was super excited for getting that time with the little bit of stuff we have done to this truck. So for those that don't know, I'm gonna go down the list of what is on this truck and what's not on this truck. So Frostbite is a 2011 Ram RT. We are running the factory gears still, the 410s that comes in it from the factory. We have the stock torque converter still in this transmission. This is a 5-speed truck, and we still have the stock cylinder heads, the stock intake manifold, the stock throttle body, and a lot of the suspension is still stock. The sides, we're running a 2.4 Beltec kit. I do have my rear springs cut, a couple coils, but we have the JBA 1 5/8 long tube headers installed, the JBA 3-inch Y-pipe catless, all the way back to the Dynomax race bullets. And I do have an electric cutout on the truck for the track, so we can open the exhaust up some more. We are running J Green's cam. It's a 0.5 high lift V2 racing cam. Same cam that the Incredible Hemi runs. And we have the Mopar Performance cold air intake with the hood kit to ram the air into the air box. Other than that, guys, there's really not a lot done to this truck. Besides, I do have a transmission shift kit, a Transgo shift kit in the truck. It not a big difference with that, besides the shifts are a little more crisp. But other than that, guys, that's what's done to the truck, and that's what's not done to the truck still. So here is the pass we ran on 100 shot. We ran the 11.8. With those mods, we raced a Shelby Cobra Mustang. Those cars are super fast. They come from the factory with a supercharger on it. They got like a Whipple on them, I believe, something like that from the factory. He ran a deep 12 at like 130 miles an hour. With 100 shot of nitrous, we completely gapped him right out of the hole, put a tremendous gap on him. And about half track, you could see he finally started to try to pull up, but he was way back there. There was no chances for him whatsoever. But yeah, that's the time we ran on that pass. Here is the run with the time slip with those mods on 100 shot of nitrous. go, 11.8, 1.5 60 foot on 100 shot, So there you go, guys. I was super stoked to get that time with what we have done to this truck. So the same day, the same exact mods, we ran an EcoBoost Mustang on the motor. This was a girl that's part of our car club. She's got an EcoBoost Mustang. It's the 10-speed automatic, pretty much stock. She had a cold air intake on it and exhaust. Other than that, that was it. You know, she's never even, this was the first time she raced a car down the track. I was, you know, giving her some pointers on trying to brake boost the car a little bit at the light to try to build some boost, and she did a hell of a job. I mean, she was out of the gate, we were close. We were really close. Further out, you could tell the cubic inches started to talk, and we ended up pulling on her. But same mods, just no nitrous, and Jay Green's 100 octane tune. This is the pass and the time slip. Check it out. All right, here we go on the motor, boys. Here's the time slip for the NA pass. I am really impressed with that, guys. Running on the motor, 100 octane Jay Green tune on my 5-speed Ram, stock converter. So there you go, guys. That was a fun race, and I was super stoked to get that time with what's done to this truck. Again, you know, we got a lot to go on this truck still. There's so much more room to grow on this little engine and this truck. It's insane. So, but as you can see, with 100 shot of nitrous, we took off a little over a second in the quarter mile. It is absolutely a blast to use it. It's so fun. The punch right out of the gate when it comes on out of the hole, I can't even describe it, guys. It's amazing. It just feels awesome. It's pure torque all at once, bam, and it's a ride. But I hope the video helped you out a little bit, and you know, answer some questions on, you know, what exactly can you expect, you know, with nitrous. I can tell you, 100 shot out of the hole, you're looking at least a whole second, maybe more, depending on your mods, you know, the weight of the vehicle, traction, that kind of thing. But 100 shot should get you about a second easily, as long as you're getting it, you're spraying it early. I mean, nitrous is all torque. The sooner you can get on it, the better that time's gonna be. So it's all about being able to put it to the ground and use it as fast and early as you can. So other than that, guys, we're gonna get this truck cleaned up and ready for the show. So as always, stay safe out there, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap that bell button to get the notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one.